guys, welcome to the second episode of our GT63 build series. Today we're just going to strip all the accessories off the engine, remove the intake manifolds, remove all the belts, pulleys, anything else that's attached to this block. We're trying to completely strip it, pull the all the internals out, clean everything, inspect everything, and obviously we're going to replace all the gaskets, all the seals, anything that's going to be coming apart will be replaced with new components. As you can see over here in the valley, once we have the turbos out, you can see that there were some coolant leaks. You can kind of see all this baked coolant over here, so we'll need to address those before we put everything back together. The turbo kit is going to be actually going out to our friends in New York, Pike Parts, who will change the runner size to smaller tubing, and hopefully that'll help us with spool a little bit, because right now I wasn't too happy with how fast the boost was coming in. So yeah, let's keep at it. Today is kind of a special day for us at the shop. One of our guys who's been with us for like what, 7-8 years now, probably, right?
Probably 8 years.
Yeah, Leo is turning 40 years old. It's 40, in case I wasn't clear. And yeah, we just thought, you know, what to do for him to kind of make this day a little more special. So he ordered a set of wheels, custom wheels that were made for his car. So we decided to gift them to him. Just kind of put it on an envelope. It's not here yet. It's in the mail. It should be here probably in
3-4 weeks.
Yeah, 3-4 weeks. And yeah, so we're just gonna gift it to him, give it in an envelope, and see his reaction. Hope he likes it.
Leonardo.
This is from us. Happy birthday.
Oh,
Happy
thanks.
40th.
It's a little surprise for you.
Yes.
Thanks.
Open
Open it up, take a look.
See what, you know.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks. No way. Serious?
Happy
Oh
birthday.
my god. Thanks so much.
You enjoyed them, I'm sure.
Oh my god, thanks so much.
They'll come.
You're
When
welcome.
they come,
Thanks so much.
You're
Let's
welcome.
see.
You're welcome.
Wow. Wow. Thanks.
No,
Another
back to
video.
business.
Back to business. Thanks.
Wow.
That's support for the camshaft. The main bolt becomes last.
How's it looking?
Coolant and cylinders.
Yeah? Shit. Did you go and pour it in there or what?
I think you look good, no?
It's okay, yeah.
Yeah, I don't feel anything.
Yeah, it's not bad. Look on this one.
Just get the coolant out of there so it
but-
doesn't sit there for a
No,
long time.
just bring that.
See like a little bit of wear on the cylinder wall, but nothing crazy.
Don't look at me. From underneath.
Looks small.
Actually, it does look small.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it looks small.
Oh yeah.
This concludes the second episode. If you guys want to see anything specific or would like us to talk about it, please comment below. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoy the content, please like our video, subscribe to our channel. It'll help us grow. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.